American Expedition Vehicles is known throughout the automotive industry for their incredible off-road bumpers, trail armor, suspensions, and more. AEV also makes among the strongest and best designed truck and SUV wheels available. AEV started manufacturing wheels with the Jeep Wrangler TJ, developing a reputation for great looks and strength to handle any terrain. We now offer numerous unique designs on a variety of platforms, including Ram heavy-duty trucks, GM light and heavy-duty trucks, the Chevy Colorado and GMC Canyon, Jeep JK and JL Wrangler, and JT Gladiator, the Ford Bronco, and Toyota Tacoma and 4Runner. All our wheels have a vehicle-specific offset for optimized steering and tire clearance. Our wheels use OEM-level A356 aluminum with T6 hardening for factory durability and feature a hub-centric design, reducing the risk of high-speed wobble and vibration. Our recessed valve stems improve protection from damage off-road, and all AEV wheels meet stringent SAE J2530 standards and have a lifetime structural warranty for the original owner. Visit AEVconversions.com for more information on our wide selection of wheels, or check out our network of authorized dealers worldwide.